Well, things are looking pretty quiet in the news today, but I did not do a price update video for you guys yesterday with crypto. I'm going to go ahead and do that for you today. Let's go ahead and start off with Bitcoin. We can see it's down 0.31%, so not much of a move there. It's hanging out just underneath $30,000. Ethereum is just under $2,000. It's at $1,905 right now. BNB sitting around $326. It's down 2.4%. And then we've got mixtures of other cryptocurrencies that are slightly up, some that are also slightly down. So overall today, things seem pretty neutral. And if we hop over here to the price chart for Bitcoin, we can see for the daily candle that the overall price movement on the day is looking about balanced out. We are getting pretty close to the daily candle closure. Volume itself is also lower than what we've seen in the last 2 days, but it's hanging out a little bit above what we saw the days prior to that. So volatility is still there. It's not as crazy as what we were seeing, but let's go ahead and zoom out just a tad bit on this on the daily chart here. So if we are on the daily chart, we zoom out more and more and more, we can see that with where we are, besides this time period going back to that of April 10th, the last time we were in this price range was all the way back in June. This is June of last year, 2022. And if we zoom out even further, we can see that that was part of this very long decline. So there's a lot of room for this to still go to try and get back to these previous all-time highs dating back around November of 2021. But with that being said, guys, we still have to look at this in a shorter time span as well. And so I would be mainly looking at it trying to break above this previous high here, April 14th. That was around $31,000. And then another level here testing at $32,000. We're still seeing some strong support with the 50 moving average, this green line that you guys see here. So if this was to say drop in the course of today, it'd be at 27,715 or so. And for tomorrow, if my estimates are projecting this correctly, this next line would be sitting right around $28,000. So overall, things look like they're holding up still pretty well. There was another post that came out from John Croney, the CEO of SafeMoon. He said this: "In recent days, I've had the privilege of meeting with esteemed members and staff of both the U.S. House and Senate. I am grateful for their valuable time, and the conversations we've had around the current crypto climate were very informative. SafeMoon will continue to bring innovation to blockchain technology and I don't know why you wrote and twice, and contribute to a brighter future. SafeMoon on the Hill, SafeMoon Army." I'm sure that was just a mistake. And so moving on to the price moves for that of SafeMoon over on the Binance Smart Chain side, it is currently down 3.7% in the last 24 hours. This is $96,000 in trading volume. You have $42,000 on the buy side, $53,000 on the sell side. So a little bit more selling pressure than buying pressure, but almost $100,000 over the course of the day. This is the third day in a row of it being in the red. For SafeMoon on Polygon, its price as of yesterday had dropped a bit, but volume was quite low. Here, green on the day, extremely low. One transaction, it's just $5. And moving on to SafeMoon on Ethereum side, showing a little bit of a bounce here. We have one transaction for $7, and that took place back on April 27th, so a day ago. Very, very low movement there. For Evergrow coin, this one here is down 3.89% over the last 24 hours. The day before was also showing some red decline. You have 5 transactions, 2 buys, 3 sells. Of that, the majority of it was on the sell side. You have $304 on the sell side. You have $21 on the buy side. For Blockbuster Tech, it's having a further continuation move up. It is up 0.05% over the last 24 hours. $12,000 in trading volume. 65 transactions. You got $7,700 on the buy side versus $4,900 on the sell side. For Beefy, this one, it's essentially balanced itself out a little bit here. It's up 0.22% compared to 24 hours ago. 5 transactions, $1,800, $1,500 to that on the buy side, $309 on the sell. For BNB Mirror Protocol, seeing a little bit of a pullback here. It's down 2.52% compared to yesterday. There was a 3-day run-up progress that took place until meeting for where we're at on the daily here. We have $816 in trading volume, $191 on the buy side, $625 on the sell side. For Bitcoin Mirror Protocol, this one showing signs of pullback. It's down 2.11%. And with this, it's $374 in trading volume, $37 on the buy versus $336 on the sell. We did see 4 days of that run up, but then that dropped down. For Croge, this one 4 days in a row of decline, 1 transaction. It was only $9 in trading volume. And that last trade on April 28th. So things very low over there. For Crift, this one's seeing a drop of 5.42%. It's 4 transactions, all sells, $859 in trading volume. And last trades that we saw was also from April 28th, a day ago. For a Glow token, this one also seeing a further decline. It's down 1.93% over the last 24 hours. 6 transactions, all sells, $590 in trading volume there. For Grove token, this one has seen a bounce back on the day. It's up 11.99%. It's had 6 days in a row of decline, so a little bit of buying pressure coming in here. It's $47,000 in trading volume, 85 transactions total. $26,000 on the buy side versus $20,000 on the sell side. So about a $6,000 price difference, shifting more positively on that buy side. For HOD, we are seeing this one slightly down, 2.21%, $4,000 in trading volume. It's $2,100 on the buy side versus $1,900 on the sell side. So $200 more on buy versus sells there. For Live Crypto Party, this one still trying to hang in there. It is struggling at the moment though. It's down 15.72% in the last 24 hours. This is off of $300 in trading volume though. So very, very low amount of volume. Keep in mind the liquidity is only $7,900 there. 5 transactions, 1 buy versus 4 sells. There was less than $1 on the buy side and there was $303 on that sell side. For Potherium, this one we're not seeing any trading activity since April 27th. With Rhythm, we're not seeing any trading activity since April 18th. And with Revoltants, there were some trades that took place on April 28th. Down 0.34% in the last 24 hours, $215 in trading volume. That's $177 on the buy side versus $38 on the sell side. And that's what I got for you guys in the latest price updates for generalized crypto, as well as for SafeMoon and the SafeMoon swap partners. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, giving you just a little update on these things. And that's what I got for you. So a pretty slow day overall. Let us know what you guys think about everything. Are you feeling like this weekend things are going to start shifting a bit? Do you think it's going to be quiet over the weekend as well? Would love to hear your thoughts and your opinions on this down in the comments below. And thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you to my higher level patrons. We love SafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz. Also thank you to my YouTube members for your support. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. God bless, and we will see you in the next episode.